The people who will build the house was really a concern because I'm not a native of Karnataka, nor do I speak the local language. I wouldn't say it was bad, but yeah, there were a few ups and downs. Everybody only spoke about money to me rather than the quality. Hey, hi all, I'm Asai Thambi. I'm from Tamil Nadu. I've settled in Bangalore for the last 18 plus years. And yeah, finally this is my dream come true home where I will be living for my rest of the life. Your architect team helped me to come up with good designs. They were able to make my dream come out. Right, so me and my wife, we spend a lot of time ensuring that we are getting the right design and the right spacing for a house, and the elevation plans and the 3D elevations. I think it was a great journey altogether. The people who will build the house was really a concern because I'm not a native of Karnataka, nor do I speak the local language fluently. I can understand the local language but not speak. So that being the constraint, I had a lot of things going in my mind. Will I really be able to achieve this and kind of things? To be specific, I actually decided brick and bolt even before purchasing this plot. So I decided that okay, yes, I have somebody I can go with, and probably based on that I finally went and purchased this plot to start building my dream home. That gave me that confidence that yes, I can do this. The difference which I saw between brick and bolt and the other individual contractors were like everybody only spoke about money to me rather than the quality. And I felt that brick and bolt spoke about the materials they use, the kind of quality checks they use, what are the various options you have and how you can build your home, and how they give you a warranty on your structure and everything. I think that gave me that confidence that yes, probably yes, I am at the right place and I can really think about building a house on my own. There were a few ups and downs, but I think over a period of time we were able to recover those. There were a few delays due to the lockdown or due to material constraints and all those stuff. We were able to recover that. Brick and bolt did, the entire team kept us informed on the delays and why it is happening. There was a lot of rain during my construction period, so even there was a lot of delays due to that. And I think overall, I felt that they did a splendid job. It didn't actually make a big hole in my pocket. Whatever that extra that I had to pay for what I wanted. Right, so that way I think the entire journey was good as such. A lot of my friends who have come down and visited my place, they were a little surprised that okay, how did you do this in Bangalore? And it is our dream come true because I'm not a person who's going to keep building a house every 3 years or 4 years. No, it's a one-time thing, and I think brick and bolt helped me to achieve this journey without much hassles. So I think I'm really grateful for Brick and Bolt team to do it, and thank you and all the best for your future journeys.